In Vericut 9.2, detailed reports for tools using multi-tool stations can now be documented. This includes the ability to store an image of a multi-tool station along with its orientation that can be used in Vericut reports. There are also several new columns in reports to describe the turret positions and multi-stations used in your simulation. Additional enhancements in Vericut 9.2 reports include table header and cell fill colors, table cell text coloring, additional control with table column widths, and the ability to copy and paste tables in reports. Instruments can now be defined in an inspection report. Measurements and tolerance values are all editable. For more information on report enhancements, see the Vericut help.